Hello, today we are going to solve one problem from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. This is a question number 36, which is a MCQ type problem. That means there are more than one correct option that can be available in the given options. Okay, here we are given a joint density of random variable x and y, which is f of xy is equals to x plus 1cy multiplied by 16cx multiplied by 1 by 6 whole to the power n multiplied by 5 by 6 whole to the power x plus 1 minus y multiplied by half of to the power 16, where y is 0 to x plus 1 and x is 0 to 16. Now we have to find among these four given options which of the option or options is or are true. So let's try the problem. By the question, the joint density f of xy is x plus 1cy multiplied by 16cx multiplied by 1 by 6 whole to the power y multiplied by 5 by 6 whole to the power x plus 1 minus y multiplied by half to the power 16, where y is 0 to x plus 1 and x is 0 to 16. Now we evaluate the marginal density of x. Sorry, the marginal mass function of x. The marginal mass function of x is f of x, which is 16cx multiplied by half to the power 16 sum over y equals to 0 to x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 cy multiplied by 1 by 6 whole to the power y into 5 by 6 whole to the power x plus 1 minus y. So this is nothing but a PMF of binomial x plus 1 comma 1 by 6. Therefore we get 16cx multiplied by half to the power 16. Okay, as this results in 1. Or we can write it as 16cx half to the power x multiplied by half to the power 16 minus x, where x is 0 to 16. Hence we can write x is binomial 16 comma half. Hence expectation of x is 16 by 2, which is 8, and variance of x is 16 into half, which is 4. Hence we found that the option D is wrong, as we get variance of x equals to 4. Now consider f of y given x, which can be written as f of xy divided by f of x. Now this reduces to x plus 1 cy multiplied by 16cx multiplied by 1 by 6 to the power y multiplied by 5 by 6 whole to the power x plus 1 minus y multiplied by 1 by 2 to the power 16 whole divided by 16cx multiplied by 1 by 2 to the power 16. Hence this 1 by 2 to the power 16 cancels out, 16cx cancels out, we get x plus 1 cy multiplied by 1 by 6 to the power y into 5 by 6 to the power x plus 1 minus y, where y is 0 to x plus 1. Now y given x is binomial x plus 1 comma 1 by 6, and we already have x is binomial 16 comma half. Hence expectation of y, which can be written as expectation y given x. Hence we have expectation of x plus 1 divided by 6, which reduces to expectation of 1 by 6. Hence 8 plus 1 by 6, hence 9 by 6, which is nothing but 3 by 2. Hence A is a correct option. Now variance of y, which can be written as variance of expectation of y given x plus expectation of variance of y given x. Now expectation of y given x is x plus 1 by 6, and variance of y given x is expectation of x plus 1 multiplied by 5 by 36, or we get 1 by 36 variance of x plus 5 by 36 expectation of x plus 1. Now this reduces to 4 by 36 plus 5 by 36 into 8 plus 1. Hence we get 1 by 9 plus 5 by 4, which reduces to 4 plus 45 divided by 36. This is nothing but 49 by 36. Hence option B is also correct. Now we have to check whether the option C is correct or not. Therefore expectation of xy, we need to find expectation of xy, which can be written as expectation of xy given x, or we can write expectation of x multiplied by expectation of y given x, and expectation of y given x is x plus 1 divided by 6. Hence 1 by 6 expectation of x square plus expectation of x, and this reduces to 4 plus 64 plus 8 divided by 6, which is 76 by 6, and this is nothing but 38 by 3. Hence option C is wrong. Therefore only A and B is true. So we have solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.